Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use VLOOKUP function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use VLOOKUP function, this video is for you. Okay. So here you will see this is the table I have created, sales report. This is employee name, this is location, date of join and total sale. On the basis of this table, I have created this table and here I used VLOOKUP function. So if I change the name of any employee here, so I want, you will see all location, date of joining and total sale automatically updated here. So how to do this? So by using VLOOKUP you can easily do this. So I'm going to just remove all the formula. Okay, then I will show you how to use that VLOOKUP in this cell. Okay, so first what we will do, we will create and drop down list in the employee name, this cell. Okay, so we are going to this, go to data to create that drop down list. Then here you will see data validation option. You have to click on it. Then here you have to just click on this any value and choose this list. Then it will ask for source. You have to click on this. Okay, then choose this as we want to create this drop down list of employee name. Just choose whole table, whole this column. Okay, now we will see all the employee name has been appeared. Okay, now we will use this location. Okay, VLOOKUP in this location section equals to VLOOKUP function. Then it will ask for lookup value. So lookup value will be this employee name. Okay, on the basis of this employee name I want that their location, date of join and total sale will automatically appear. Now comma table array, so you have to enter this table array. Okay, now column index number, so the location is second number column. First number is employee name, second number is location, third number is date of join and fourth number is total sale. So this is second number, so you have to enter 2 comma. Now it will ask for true, approximate match or exact match, so you have to choose exact match, then bracket close. Okay, now copy this formula to all the neighboring cell. Okay, so now if I change anything, okay, or employee name, you will see all thing will automatically appeared. So like this you can use VLOOKUP function in Excel. So if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.